And we made it back to the Doubletree by the airport. We're here early. There's no rooms available. So we're gonna go sit by the pool and wait till we get hungry, and then I'm gonna walk around and see what's to eat around this area. You can see the pool is really, really nice. I asked for a renovated room because the last room we had, the room was very nice, but the bathroom was kind of beat up. So, as you can see, it's a very nice pool. It's kind of cool out. Of course, it's supposed to rain today, our last day here in Florida. It's supposed to rain, that's normal. So, I'm gonna max and relax a little bit here, chill out, and look for a place to eat after. And we finally got into our room at the Doubletree. Very nice room. Very nice. Big TV. And of course they're gonna have the cool view. We're on the 4th floor. Last time we were on the 6th floor. But the room was a little more beat up in the bathroom area, so I asked for it. They had an updated room, and they gave us one on the 4th floor. So, pool's out there. Pool is heated,
yeah,
but it's
heated.
cold out. So I don't know if we're going to swim today.
A cold Floridian day.
Yeah, but this thing is all cool. I guess when it storms, it's nice to look out here to see the rain hit. So we are here for the night. Tomorrow we're catching our plane home, and we got lots to say about our cruise. So keep your eyes out for more videos coming.